when you come to formatting documents, Word probably isn't the kindest when you're trying to incorporate the words from a different document, which has different formatting. A lot of things go awry, images get shifted to different pages, and it's just a massive hassle to manually have to sort out. So I'll share my screen. I'll show like a live demo of just one instance where Format Painter has come to the rescue, but then also talk a bit more about how Format Painter really shouldn't be needed from the beginning. Perfect. So as you can see on my screen, on the left, we have standard NDA, 15 pages long, so nothing too great in length. And on the right, we have a couple of paragraphs that you might want to insert from different documents. So if we go to clause 6.3, and for instance, if I wanted to create a new 6.3a Roman numeral 2, I could either press enter and then type away. So example text here, or if I wanted to copy and paste it in from somewhere else, I'd find the piece that I want to copy and paste and try and copy it over. But the problem arises when I actually try to do the copying, as you can see here. So from my screen, you can clearly see that it's not picked up the formatting that I want it to pick up. It's, for some reason, thinks that I want to insert a entirely new clause as opposed to a subsection of an existing clause. And it doesn't make much sense as to why that's happened. So instead of manually trying to go through, trying to figure out what the formatting is using the paragraph function and adjusting it accordingly, Word has a really good function in terms of using Format Painter. So in order to use it successfully, all you need to do is identify the area or the piece of text that has the desired format, which is, as you can see here, Roman numeral I, so this section here. Just click at the beginning and you click the little Format Painter button at the top left under clipboard. If you click that, it's picked up the formatting for that particular paragraph. And it doesn't matter that you don't know what the formatting is. The main point here is that Word itself has recognized what the formatting is, and it will apply it to the next click that you have. So then you locate the paragraph that you want to fix, and you highlight it. And then just like that, it will mimic almost perfectly the formatting from the previous paragraph. But as you can see, it's not quite done it perfectly. It's still, for some reason, kept it in bold and italics. So that will require a bit of manual adjustment. And then there you have it. You still have the desired format. So it's a great tool in terms of trying to have a very quick fix and making sure everything aligns perfectly when it comes to formatting. But as you can imagine, if you've got an extremely long contract and you're making multiple amendments to it from different contracts and pulling in different pieces of information, you don't want to have to really go through this Format Painter option every single time. You want to be able to have a piece of software or technology that's intuitive and it recognizes that you want to mimic or at least keep the current formatting of where in the document you want, you're copying the information into.